This is Kurutoga, and you're watching Suthar Sahib. I think Kurutoga is the coolest pencil that is available in the market. What makes this pencil so cool is its automatic lead rotating mechanism, which ensures you a continuous sharp point of the lead while writing. This pencil was designed for writing purposes only because for the rotating mechanism to work, you constantly need to lift the pencil off the paper, and also it requires a decent amount of downward force to work properly. You can easily see if the mechanism is working or not through this tiny window here. You can see this logo rotating as I draw these small circles. Let me demonstrate the rotating mechanism in a simple way. I have attached a piece of paper with an arrow on it so you can observe the rotation of lead easily. Okay, now let's get to the point where we test this pencil. So let's draw some lines and curves and see how it feels. I would say that its rotating mechanism works very well while drawing small strokes, but works like a normal mechanical pencil while drawing larger strokes, as it needs to lift off the paper very frequently to work properly. So, if you're a person who will use this pencil for writing purpose and you write with enough angle from the paper, then definitely go for it. And if you're a person who will use this pencil for drawing purpose, then still you will definitely love this pencil. After all, it have an awesome grip, stunning looks, and the fact that this is the coolest pencil in the world.